Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this dramatic hollow eye makeup look for Pohela Boishakh. This is the look for those who like a little bit dramatic makeup. On my next video I'm going to do a makeup look which is more natural, and that's going to be actually my real Pohela Boishakh makeup look, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video you'll get notification. So let's jump into the tutorial. At first I'm using this yellow color from Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm using this on my crease area as my transition color, and I'm using a fluffy brush for this. I already did my base makeup and eyebrows off camera, but if you want to see a detailed tutorial of base makeup and eyebrow, please let me know. I'll try to make a video of those in future. Then I'm using this gray color, and I took another brush for this. This brush is smaller than the previous one, and I'm applying this color on the outer V and inner V area, and also a little bit on the crease area. I hope I could explain. You know, when you do hollow eye makeup look, it's gonna be dark on the outer side and inner side, and on the middle part it's gonna be light color. So yeah, I'm doing the same thing on my other eye as well. Okay, so now I'm taking this bright red color and I'm applying this color on the same place I applied the previous color, but for this color I used a smaller brush. It's more like a pencil brush. Then I took a dark brown color and with a fluffy, I mean not so fluffy, with a small blending brush. Actually I'm applying this on my inner corner and outer corner. Actually for the inner corner I used the previous smaller pencil brush, and then with the blending brush I'm blending the same color on the crease area. You have to be very careful when you work with darker color. You have to go. And now I'm applying my Tarte Shaptape concealer, and I'm doing a triangle type of shape, as you can see. Then I'm using this bronzy gold type of color, and I'm applying this with my finger, and then I blend this with a brush. And for that I also used a red color just to blend this gold and red and browns all together. I hope I could explain. Okay, then I'm using this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I'm lining a line with this on the crease area, just on the middle part of the crease. I hope you can see that. This part is optional, but you know, this just made it a little extra dramatic. Then I'm lining my lash line very precisely, just because I don't want any gap in between my real lash and fake lashes. Then I'm curling my lash with a lash curler from Tarte, and I'm also applying some mascara on my upper lashes. Then I'm using this faux mink lashes. It's just gonna give some extra drama on your eye makeup. And I use a dual brush on lash glue for this. I actually don't use any tweezer. I use my fingertip to apply lashes. It's just more comfortable for me. Also you need more practice to do that. You know, no matter what you use, tweezer or finger. For both you need practice, and when you practice it's gonna be easier, trust me. Then I'm using Urban Decay 24 Hours Glide On Eye Pencil on the waterline. Then with the flat brush, I'm using the previous brown brick type of color on the lower lash line, just to make it more like smoky and less harsh. Then again, I'm blending it with another pencil brush. Then I'm using a Milani press powder to contour my face. This is actually a dark colored press powder, but I love this color so much. This is very nice and warm, and this is my most favorite to contour my face. And I'm also contouring my forehead. As you can see, I have a very big forehead, which I hate. I'm also using the same color to contour my nose, but I'm using a different kind of brush for this. As you can see, the brush is like a flat brush. I don't know, I forgot the name of the brush actually, but you can see. Then I'm using Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush Palette to make me blush. Down spraying. Then I'm spraying my face with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It's very important if you want to go out in hot humid weather. Then I'm applying highlighter on my cheekbone, a little bit on my forehead and my chin area as well. I'm also using the same highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. It's looking so pretty. I was so stunned at that moment, you know, because it was looking very nice. See, highlighter, no highlighter. Then I'm applying the same highlighter with the same brush on the bridge of my nose and also on my brow bone. Then it's lip time. For the lip color, I'm using this brick color from Dose of Color, and I'm applying this. Then last but not least, I'm fixing my hair. Wow. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Once again, please subscribe to my channel, give me some love, and also share this video. And also let me know what you want to see in my next tutorial. But on my next Pohela Boishakh tutorial, I'm definitely going to be doing a natural makeup look, so definitely stay tuned for that. Till then, take care and bye.